Okay, so from the CoinGecko website, Algorand, if we're going to scroll down, we can see here the information for website. Okay, the first one I'm going to click is the Algorand Foundation. Okay, this is the first option on how we can find the legitimate link or source so that we can download the Algopera wallet. Okay, and for additional information, uh, Algorand Pera wallet or Algopera wallet is a decentralized hot wallet. Okay, so this means that we are the ones accountable or responsible on saving the 24 words or 12 words fast phrase. Okay, so that we can better manage on how we hold, we buy, we sell, or we swap our algo holdings or Algorand cryptos together with the other applicable cryptos within the Algorand ecosystem. Okay, so as you can see here on the Algorand website, we also have an option to stake our Algorand or stake our Algorand holdings in the Pera wallet. Okay, now the second option is to click on wallets, and then you can see here Pera wallet. So if we're going to click on Pera wallet, it will redirect us to the actual page where we can download the Pera Algo wallet straight away. Okay, we can also see here the features and advantages of using the Pera Algo wallet to better secure and manage our Algorand or Algo crypto holdings. Okay, okay, we can see here I clicked on the download option for Pera Algo wallet. So we just need to wait for the download to complete and open the app. So after we install the Algo Pera wallet and open the app, this is the first page. Okay, welcome to Pera Wallet. So if it's your first time to install the Algo Pera Wallet, we'll just need to click on create a new account. Okay, create a new Algorand account with a new address and recovery phrase. Okay, and we also have options here to import an account if you already have an existing Algorand account with various methods or pair it with your ledger. Okay, we even have an option to watch an account. Okay, monitor an Algorand account by providing its address. Okay, this third option is interesting because we can see how Algorand whales are managing their cryptocurrencies. So let's continue with the tutorial. Okay, so after we click on create account, the next page says create a fast phrase backup for your account. Okay, creating a fast phrase backup will allow you to recover your account. Okay, so without the fast phrase, if you lose your device, remove the account or delete the app, you can permanently lose access to your Algorand account. Okay, okay, so on the next page we need to prepare to write our recovery fast phrase. Okay, okay, the only way to recover your Algorand account is with this recovery fast phrase. Okay, remember, okay, I would like to reiterate that if you're able to do your own research and you're also deciding to install Pera Algo wallet on your mobile phone, do not share this passphrase with anyone because it will grant full access to your Algo Pera account. Okay, so if you're all good, you can click on I'm ready to begin. Okay, so after you have taken down notes of your 24 words fast phrase, on the next page, the Algorand setup will require you to verify your recovery fast phrase backup. Okay, so as you can see here, it's like a test wherein you need to select the correct words. Okay, based on the order as to how the 24 words fast phrase were given to you. Okay, this way we can ensure that we're able to complete the step to verify our fast phrase. Okay, so after I clicked on next, we can see here fast phrase verified. Keep this recovery phrase in a secure location that is accessible only by you, and do not lose this recovery phrase. Okay, and then we can click on next. Now on the next page, we'll just need to name our Algo Pera account. So I just type in Algorand for the win, okay? And then we can click on finish account creation. Account has been added. Welcome to Pera Wallet. Your account is ready to use. Okay, increase your security with a PIN. Okay, so we'll just need to input a nominated 6-digit PIN so that we can log in securely to our Algo Pera wallet. Okay, so since this is the first time we're setting up or installing the Pera Algo wallet, you'll need to make sure that you also click on settings on the lower right, and we can see here on the top under settings account, Algorand secure backup. So remember to click on Algorand secure backup option, okay, and the Algorand secure backup instructions, okay. So I'll need to click on select account. Okay, we're prompted to enter our 6-digit PIN, and then we'll need to select our account which needs backup. Okay, so on this page, we can see here we are prompted or instructed to store our 12-word key. Okay, your 12-word key is used to decrypt any Algorand secure backup file generated, and then we'll need to install this 12-word key securely. Okay, so we'll just need to copy this one or write it on our journal, and once done, we can click on I've stored my key. Okay, so after we confirm that we're able to back up our Algorand key, we also have an option to download the file on our mobile phone, okay? And if you're able to reach this point, this means that you're able to successfully install or set up your Algo Pera wallet securely, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Okay? We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. Okay? All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help our viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Okay? I would also like to add that I really selected the cryptocurrency niche, okay, so that while I'm still strong and young, I can pass on this YouTube channel to my beloved daughter in the future or my future children, okay? So this way, they can have a reputable first-hand information about cryptocurrency instead of getting the information elsewhere, okay? As a parent, I would like to find a way to secure their future financially, strategically while I'm still young. Because if I'm going to be, if I get older and I don't have enough strength to do all these sorts of things and multitask while I work and I also research on cryptocurrency, I may never get the chance to pass on this important knowledge about cryptocurrency to my family and loved ones. Okay, so aside from this disclaimer statement, this is my main reason and drive why I'm doing this, and I continue to research on cryptocurrency and create as it's a focused topic. Okay, thank you so much. More fruitful gains to everyone, and I hope we also obtain our time freedom in the next bull run. Thank you so much.